Hey, this is Coleman with GardensAll.com. We're doing a quick review of our outdoor protection system using basic frost cover fabric in various configurations. And there's one here that, again, we're using clips in various ways from the office store. And this is another thing we're using to anchor the edges down are these staples. And these are specifically for that purpose. They're also landscape staples used for this sort of thing, also for weed barrier fabric. But here we have some lovely, these are collards coming on. I think they're Yates to the left and Georgia to the right. And we planned these out in December, and they're coming along just great thanks to the use of these frost cover protection blankets. And it's a real simple system. This is a tent, basically. There is a disadvantage in that the ends where it's tacked down are a little bit shallow, so if you have a taller growing plant, you really want that more in the center than on the edge like we have it. But so far it's working pretty good.